Leave me the fuck alone. Leave me the fuck alone.
Ma'am,
you want to fucking arrest me for what?
Ma'am.
What did I do?
You gotta drop the knife. Put the knife down. Get out of the car. You're under arrest. All right.
Stop trying to bite me. Stop trying to bite.
Charge.
In just a few minutes, those out-of-control decisions kept this woman from going home the way she wanted. 8 criminal charges were the consequence of her actions. Let's see what happened. In Mount Laurel, New Jersey, police stopped a vehicle driven by Angiana after noticing an object hanging from the rearview mirror and a passenger who was not wearing a seatbelt.
Yeah, so it looks like you're, well, you got a couple things going on here. You got the stuff hanging from the rearview mirror there. You can't have that. He doesn't have his seatbelt on. And then also your registration looks like it's suspended, possibly. So.
Yeah, it probably is because it's been in the car for so long.
Do you have your license on you, sir? Okay.
Yeah, it's
they kept it for a straight year?
Yeah, and then I'll send
I never
you the
heard of
money.
that one, you know what I mean? That'd be a lot of money in storage fee. I would assume they'd charge you for it sitting
They
there or
only charged
anything.
me $900. They put a starter and a back window on for me.
Yeah, the back glass was broken.
Okay. Do you have insurance for the vehicle,
Oh,
ma'am?
I'm sorry. That's on my phone.
Okay. Thank you.
It's
All right, sir.
at work.
Here's your ID back, okay? I am issuing you a ticket for not wearing your seatbelt, okay? It's $47, and you can pay it at the website by the date down there. If you want to take it to court, it's your right to do so in that top right, okay?
Okay.
All right, you have any questions?
It's okay.
Okay. And then, ma'am, can you step out of the car and just talk to me in the back here? I got some paperwork for you. You're not under arrest or anything like that, but... Yeah, yep. Thank you.
Don't mind my outfit. It's my bedtime outfit.
So, listen. So, your license is suspended.
What?
Your license, yeah,
For
your
what?
license is suspended for having
how long?
for failure to have insurance. I'm not sure, but they said failure to have
That's
insurance.
definitely my charger,
So
not
failure,
this car.
yeah. So failure to have insurance is the reason why they suspended it, and then they also said persistent violator. So I guess you have
I did have
you
a
have
lot of
18
tickets
points or something.
Last
So
year.
I
How
guess
long is it suspended for?
At first, everything looked calm and simple, but just one moment of losing control by a suspect can completely change the situation. Police always have to be prepared for the worst.
I'm not 100% sure, but it's currently suspended.
Fuck,
okay,
bro.
so the registration on this vehicle has been expired for a year. Okay, so the registration on the vehicle is expired for a year. There's no insurance, and your license is suspended. Okay,
Fuck, bro.
so for those reasons, I can't let the vehicle be on the road. Okay, we have to tow it.
Tow it?
Yeah, I have to tow it because there's literally nothing on the vehicle. You know what I mean? There's no registration.
Can we try to wait and see if she answers?
So that's why we've already waited a long time as it is, you know what I mean? And you have to be able to show insurance at the time of the stop. If you do have insurance on the vehicle, bring proof that the vehicle was insured at the time of the stop to court with you, because you have some tickets here, okay? And the insurance, the suspended or mandatory court anyway. So might as well take all the tickets to court with you, honestly. Hey guys, so for your vehicle, so they're taking it to Trophy's Towing. It's in Cherry Hill, okay?
Yeah, we need to stop at the police station and get the release
Yes,
form.
yes, yep,
How do I
yeah.
get the
Once,
release form?
so once you're able to show that there's registration and insurance on the vehicle, and that you're the registered owner, just bring your license and show that you have registration and insurance. Also, you know, that's good enough to get the vehicle out. Just bring a licensed driver with you, unless you get your license reinstated before then. Then you could drive it back. But once you're able to show proof of registration and insurance, come down at any time with your ID, and then the officer will release it to you, okay?
Up to this point, Angiana was not facing a criminal arrest. Police had even explained how she could get the vehicle back after completing the paperwork. But instead of accepting that the vehicle was being towed, she decided to get back inside and grab the keys, a choice that began to completely change the consequences of this traffic stop.
Ma'am, what are we doing?
We need to my brother's homes.
Okay. So he needs to take the vehicle, okay? So you can't be inside of it.
I'm not getting out till my brother comes.
Okay.
Y'all want to tow my car so bad, wait till my fucking brother comes.
Listen.
Want to have me standing outside.
You gotta let him do his job here.
crazy.
You gotta let him do his job. You can't sit inside the car. You're, like I said, so right now we're just looking at traffic violations. I know you're upset about your car. We don't want to turn it into something where somebody gets arrested for obstruction, okay? Listen, you gotta shut the car off. Ma'am, you can't put the... Give me the key to the car. Give me the key.
Let go of my fucking
Ma'am,
keys.
all right, you're under arrest. Step
No,
out of the car.
I'm not.
You're under arrest. Get her out of the car, please.
It's locked.
Ma'am, you're under arrest. Open the door. Watch behind you. Watch behind you. Behind you. No, behind you. Him. Yeah. Step out of the car, ma'am. You're under arrest. Ma'am, you gotta step out of the car. Come on, we're not leaving. You gotta step out of the car, okay? You have to step out of the car. You're under arrest. You're under arrest now. Okay? Okay. Ma'am, step out of the car. You turned this into you getting arrested now. You went from the same, your car's still getting towed, you're still getting the tickets, but now you're also getting arrested, okay? So step out of the car. The longer we drag this on, the worse it's gonna be. Hey, sir, I know you wanna, she's gonna be okay. We're gonna get her out of the car safely. Just have a seat on the curb here so you're not standing behind my partner. Thank you. I appreciate you.
Refusing to cooperate with police and barricading herself inside the vehicle was one of the worst choices she could have made. Under New Jersey law, intentionally using physical conduct or creating an obstacle to prevent an officer from performing lawful duties may constitute obstructing the administration of law. And once someone has been clearly told they are under arrest, intentionally preventing police from completing that arrest may lead to a separate resisting arrest charge. If force is used or threatened, the seriousness of the offense may increase. What happened next became completely out of control.
Ma'am, step out of the car. Listen, do you think we're gonna go away at this point? You're just gonna end up getting arrested. So you are under arrest now. We don't want to have to send you to jail as a result of it. We're gonna charge you and release you, okay? We're trying to keep this at the lowest level we can, okay? You were going to get to go home after this, but now you turned it into something where you got to get arrested and at least processed at the station.
No, please leave me the fuck alone.
Right? We were talking about Memorial
You want me
Weekend.
to? You want to leave me alone?
Ma'am, what?
She's got
Ma'am,
Leave me the fuck alone. I got leave me the fuck alone.
ma'am,
Leave
put
me
the knife
fuck
down.
alone.
Put the
Leave
knife
me
down.
fuck alone.
Put the knife down.
We'll meet you there in a black
Put the knife
Honda
down.
Accord.
Ma'am, put the knife down.
Dude, leave me the fuck.
Come on,
you think
ma'am.
I'm wrong? Leave me the fuck alone.
Ma'am.
Leave me the fuck alone.
Ma'am, just calm down.
Leave the fuck
Calm
alone.
down. Calm down.
Leave me the fuck alone.
Listen,
No, you bitches want to arrest me? You
Ma'am.
bitches want to arrest me?
ma'am, we don't want to turn this into anything it doesn't have to be. We don't want you to get hurt. We don't want any of us to get hurt, okay? Like I said, you're just going to get charged. You're going to get brought down to the station, and then we're going to
For
release you.
what? Because you don't like how I fucking grabbed my key back?
Well, you grabbed my hand and you also locked yourself in the car. Listen, ma'am, it's not worth it. Ma'am, don't do that. Come on, stop it. Knock it off. Knock it off, okay? Listen. Relax. Just put the knife down. Okay? Just put the knife down. We don't want you hurting yourself. Ma'am, you gotta put the knife down.
The appearance of the knife changed everything. Even more unexpectedly, she was hurting herself, showing concerning signs in her behavior and mental state. At the same time, using the knife to threaten others could bring serious legal consequences. Possessing a weapon other than a firearm with the purpose of using it unlawfully against another person or property may constitute a third-degree offense. In addition, carrying or possessing an object capable of being used as a weapon under circumstances that are not appropriate for its lawful use may lead to a separate charge.
Ma'am. Listen, we want to take care of you. We're going to work with you. Okay?
For what? So you could arrest me?
You're not going to
You
jail.
want to fucking arrest
You're
me?
not
For
go-
what?
Ma'am.
What did I do?
Ma'am, we explained this to you. We explained this to you, okay? You have to relax. Okay?
Alright, if you guys need a force entry, do what you have to do.
We're speaking with her right now. She's sitting in the driver's seat. Listen. Ma'am, you gotta drop the knife. Okay? You have to drop the knife. We don't want you hurting yourself. We don't want you hurting one of us, okay? Just drop the knife. Listen, ma'am. You gotta drop the knife. What are you doing? You gotta drop the knife. You can't just cut yourself in front of us.
Stop talking to me!
Ma'am, drop the knife. Put the knife away. Ma'am, put the knife away. You can't be cutting yourself, okay? Ma'am, you gotta put the knife down. You have to put the knife down. Put the knife down. You gotta drop the knife. Put the knife down. Put the knife down.
What the fuck are you
Put
doing?
the knife down. Put the knife down. Thank you. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Yep, I got it. Drop the knife. Do not.
What are you doing?
Put cuffs on her. Put cuffs on her hand. Watch. Yo, watch it. Yep,
You
I
better
got
back
you.
up before I
Listen,
spit in your face.
she's safe. Do not do that. That's going to be another charge. You're under arrest now. You got it on there? Clear that knife. Grab that knife too, by the way. Ma'am, yeah, grab her arms and I'm going to grab her legs, okay? Listen, come on, hop out of the car. Watch her legs are cut. Come on. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Come on. Watch. She's okay. Listen, we're getting her out of the car. She's gonna be safe.
Bro, this
We got
does
it.
not look safe.
We got it. She's gonna be okay.
Bro, this is a 19-year-old girl.
Get out of the car. You're under
Grown
arrest.
men.
Get out of the car. You're under arrest. All right.
Stop trying to bite me.
Face like that.
Stop trying to bite.
What the fuck?
Relax.
Angiana continued struggling and tried to bite an officer. This conduct may be considered intentionally using force against or attacking an officer performing official duties, potentially leading to an additional assault on a law enforcement officer charge with serious consequences.
Bro, she is pregnant. She is pregnant. What the fuck are you, bro? Three grown men.
Come on. Get your arms out from under there. Come on.
You said they're fighting there?
Yep. Well, she's flailing around.
I got it. Right here. Right here. Right here.
Slide your hand down. Yep. Come on.
You can out of the comfort, all your hands on.
Come on. Just get your hand on your back. Come on. Stop grabbing the cuffs. Stop grabbing the cuff.
Stop trying to bite.
Stop fucking being rude!
Hold on. All right, she's cuffed. All right. Stop trying to grab. Knock it off. Come on. You turned this into something it didn't have to be. You were about to be released, and now you're under arrest, okay? Listen, stop. Yep, I said. Let me just double lock these so that you can. Come on, what's your goal here? You're
Cause I'm getting the fuck up, you dumb bitch!
what? You're
Stop,
gonna leave
big
it-
ass pig!
You're gonna leave and go
Dirty
home?
ass fucking pig!
Okay, listen, you're under arrest, so we're gonna take you down to the station and process you and get you out of here.
Dirty ass fucking pig! Bald ass bitch! Dude, stop fucking holding on to me!
Hold on one second.
Bitch, what you gonna search? My fucking panties? I ain't got shit on! Dumbass! Hey, you guys can't search me. Call a female. Y'all wanna search
There's
me?
no
Call a
female
female.
on duty right now.
Alright, well, I don't
Ma'am,
want y'all
relax,
search.
relax.
That's sexual harassment. Y'all
Relax.
cannot search me.
Okay.
Y'all cannot search me. I
We
will
have
get a
job
lawyer.
to do, and we are allowed
Call
to
a
search.
female.
Make sure you pull up
Call a
the
fucking female.
Yep. Relax. Relax.
All of y'all, fuck off!
What's your
I'm
goal?
about to kick y'all in the dick.
What's-
Y'all better.
You're just racking up charges here. That's all you're doing. You're still going to jail. You need to relax. Okay.
What?
Well, you're just making it worse for yourself. I don't know what your goal is here, okay? Just relax.
Well, get me in a fucking car then.
You were about to go home.
No, I wasn't.
Yes, you were. You were.
Bitch, as soon as I got in my car, you're fucking, no. Stop playing with me.
You were about to go home. We were releasing you.
Until he didn't like
You
how
were-
I did something.
Because you were obstructed.
Okay. Okay. Well, it's another charge. And another one.
In the car. In the car.
Being placed in handcuffs should have ended the resistance, but Angiana continued making the situation worse. She repeatedly spit at the officers. In New Jersey, intentionally spitting or causing saliva or other bodily fluids to come into contact with an officer performing official duties may be treated as a serious assault offense. This conduct alone resulted in 3 separate charges against Angiana. Finally, she was charged with obstructing the administration of law, resisting arrest, possession of a weapon for an unlawful purpose, unlawful possession of a weapon, 3 charges related to causing law enforcement officers to come into contact with bodily fluids, and assault on a law enforcement officer. Now, let's see how viewers reacted to this case. If diarrhea had a human form, she's lucky she had an extremely calm officer. That was essentially a 19-year-old throwing a temper tantrum because she couldn't get her own way. Absolutely pathetic. The officers were so calm, professional, and reasonable. She was the polar opposite. She has no business being a parent. What do you think? Share your opinion in the comments below. Angiana was very close to leaving the scene with only traffic-related problems and a towed vehicle. But refusing to accept the situation, locking herself inside the vehicle, pulling out a knife, and continuing to resist turned a relatively minor consequence into 8 separate criminal charges. If you enjoy the way we tell stories like this, subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us continue bringing you cases that not many people have heard about.